Open document presentations, view options. Normal view is useful for creating, formatting and editing slides. Different slides can be selected. The most useful view for working with all the slides at the same time is Slide Sorter view. Here we can see all the slides at once. It's easy to create a new slide by simply right-clicking anywhere and clicking on New Slide. If the slide's not needed, we can right-click and select Delete Slide. We can also reorganize the slides in the Slide Sorter view. For example, here we're comparing smartphones and tablets with the similarities, then desktops and laptops with the similarities. If we wanted to do the laptops and desktops first, we would simply drag it to that position. Similarities. Now we're dealing with laptops and desktops first, and then with smartphones and tablets. Select the outline view. In this view, it's easy to edit text. It's much easier to check spelling when you don't have the formatting of the slides to worry about. Select the Notes view. Notes view is useful for adding speaker notes to read out during the presentation. For example, here there are already some speaker notes on the title slide. Select the handout view. This view is used to prepare printed handouts. Select Format and go to Page. We can change the page orientation of the printed handout to landscape. Click on OK. We can also change the number of slides that are showing on a page. For example, at the moment there are 2 slides. We could choose 4 slides, or we could choose to have 3 slides, leaving some space for notes. Notice the position of the header and the date and time, and the footer and the page number. To place text in these areas, we can't just click here. We need to go to Insert and then select any of these options, either of these options, page number or date and time. This will bring up the header and footer dialog. Be sure that you're not in the slide page. Select Notes and Handouts. Now we're going to see how it's applied. If we click on Header, it will apply the header. We'll need some text typed in. If we click Date and Time, that will be shown in the top right. If we click Footer, it will be placed at the bottom. Perhaps we could type in who's done the project. And we could also add a page number if there are many slides. We'll need to select Apply to All. Change back to the normal view.